about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a travel with me. I'm going to Dallas for Poshfest. So I'm currently at the Atlanta airport. My flight leaves in about an hour and I'm traveling with my mom. She's coming to Poshfest with me this year. And when we get to Dallas around noon, we're gonna do a little bit of sourcing and probably check into our hotel. So I will check in with you guys later. Just got on the plane and I am gonna try and entertain myself for the next 2.5 hours. I didn't bring anything to do. I might see if there's Wi-Fi and do a little bit of sharing, listen to some tunes, and yeah, just can't wait to land and get to Dallas. I have a friend.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with
I wanted to do a room tour. My mom and I are staying in this room and Alyssa is joining us on Friday and Saturday night. So this is one of the double queen suites, I believe is what they called it. And there's a really nice like setup here with a Keurig and a little fridge. And it's got these funky mirrors. And then over here, this is just a closet to the left. That's the bathroom, which I'll show you in a minute. And then this is the amazing room. So it's pretty spacious. There's definitely a lot of space in here. On the right when you walk in, you can see we have a great selfie OOTD mirror. So I'll be doing all my outfit pictures in this mirror for sure. And then we have a mural on the wall. And then I love the beds. The headboards are so cool. They're just such a statement. And it's 2 queen beds. I can't tell exactly what this is. It's very abstract. It looks like metal, but I think it's some kind of like resin. And then just your basic setup in the middle. Across we have the TV. And then over here there's a desk area if you want to do any kind of work, which Poshfest weekend, I don't know how much work I'm going to be getting done. And then over here, this corner is actually my favorite part of the room. So there are a couple little chairs, a chaise. They're a great faux leather look. And then we have this huge lamp, floor lamp. And then you can see the stunning view of Dallas right over the highway. And then over here on the corner, you can see downtown. So we're all checked in and we're gonna go see what kind of sourcing Dallas has to offer. I haven't really done a lot of research ahead of time. I did have one person message me a thrift store she used to love when she lived here in Dallas. She doesn't live here anymore. So I think we're gonna go to that one first, and then I'm just gonna put in Yelp to see what kind of thrift stores or resale shops there are, and we'll see how many we can stop in. And we probably need to eat something at some point, but we have the adrenaline rushing from being in a new city, and our hotel is so cool. So let's just start shopping. Going into our first stop, which is Genesis Benefit Thrift Store. We just finished thrifting at the first spot, and overall it was okay. I got 3 items, which I'm really excited about, a brand I've never found before, but we're both starving, so we decided that we have to eat something before we go to our next stop, and we came to this place called the Velvet Taco, I believe. I looked on Yelp, and we were both craving tacos. I'm going off keto for the weekend, just to experience the local food and enjoy myself, and I figure vacation is the time to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're eating, and then we'll get into our next stop. We just got our tacos. They look delicious. My mom got a brisket taco, and then I got a brisket and a fish taco, and then we're also eating this queso, which is so good. It's got like a Thai coconut flavor and blue chips. Okay, first impressions. I'm trying the brisket taco first, and it's got like some kind of cheese on this shell. That looks so good. We'll get a good bite. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's got this like corn salsa in it that is amazing. Now I'm gonna try the fried fish taco. It's supposed to be like fish and chips, so kind of like English style, and it's a beautiful taco. I don't know how I'm gonna eat it because it's huge. I guess this is what the people that do mukbangs do. They eat and talk. I don't know. That one's really good. I think I like the brisket one better, but delicious. Okay, we're gonna go in this really cute boutique that was right by the taco restaurant, Favor the Kind. Someone just told me about it on Instagram, so let's go see what they have. Going to the thrift store next. The name sounds promising. Can't wait to see what's inside. Just got back to the hotel room. Basically, we went non-stop today, and I just laid in my bed, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to get back up, except I do wanna show you what I picked up today. We went to 2 different thrift stores that a couple of people from Instagram told me about, so I think I showed you what those looked like. And then we did stop at a clothes mentor just because we were by one, and we were trying to avoid traffic on the way back to the hotel, but we were so tired at that point, we really didn't look through much of it, and I think I just got one thing. So I'm gonna show you what I picked up, and then I'm probably going to end the vlog tonight, and I really appreciate you following along. If you enjoyed my day in the life travel vlog, give this a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe because like I said, I'm vlogging the whole Poshfest weekend. Okay, time for the hotel room haul, and I have that huge lamp I showed earlier as my spotlight, so that works out perfectly. And I'm gonna go in order of the items I picked up. So the first store, I got 3 items, and this long plaid tunic top is the first thing. And the brand is Soft Joie, and it is a size large, and I think this is great for fall with leggings or skinny jeans, and it's just super soft and cozy. This next top, I have never found this brand before, but I have seen other resellers pick it up, other people I follow on Instagram. It's called Iskandar, and I believe it's worth a lot of money. I need to look up comps and do a little research on it, but it's made in Poland, and it's just a really cool oversized plaid top. I picked up one pair of jeans. They are these dark, they call them girlfriend jeans, kind of like a slim boyfriend, and they have some distressed like paint splatter effect. And I haven't found this brand in a while. It's Melissa McCarthy for $7, but I do like to pick it up. It sells really fast on Poshmark. It is a plus size denim line. These are a size 18 women, and I can't wait to get those listed because I think they're perfect for fall. The next tops are from the second thrift store I went to, and I absolutely love the print on this top. It's a silk button-down blouse, and it's got these tigers all over it. And this is a J. Crew top, and it's a J. Crew size for petite, and it's basically in perfect condition. This next shirt is just a long sleeve V-neck. It's a really flowy top with this asymmetrical handkerchief hem, and the brand is from Anthropologie. It is left of center, and this is a size extra small. I just really love the color on this, and left of center, they kind of have nicer basics at Anthropologie. It does really well on Poshmark. This was the first piece that I saw when I walked into this thrift store, and it is a Free People, We the Free by Free People size medium. It is a thermal, and then it also has this great peplum hem, and I really like the dusty rose pink color. A couple shirts down, I found another Free People thermal. This one has the knit embellished cuffs that I talk about a lot. These do really well. They're great for layering, a great fall piece, and the brand, again, Free People. This one is a size large. The last thing from that thrift store is this pair of pajama pants. I believe they're a men's pajama pant, and they are Vineyard Vines, and if you can see the print, it is Christmas themed. So it's got the really cute wagons with the Christmas tree. It's got the whale with the Christmas Santa hat, and these are a size medium. So this next piece is by Cartonnier from Anthropologie. It's a size small, and I'm close up on the print here. It is like a metallic leopard print, and I'm gonna zoom back. It is a longer, almost blazer style jacket. It's a soft knit. It just has 2 buttons, and it's just a beautiful lightweight kind of coat. So I was excited to find that, and that is all I grabbed today.